everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how to unlike Facebook pages. So please watch the video till the very end, and first of all you tap open the Facebook application and then you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your Facebook account, what you need to do over here is you scroll down or tap open the page that you want to unlike. So from here I'm just gonna tap open the page from the search bar, type in this page name, tap on search. You can see the YouTube page on the top. I'm going to tap upon that. You can see that I have currently liked YouTube pages and I am getting notified from YouTube every now and then. So for you to unlike this Facebook page, what you need to do is tap on the liked icon on the right side of the name. Tap on that. From there you will have the option to unlike. You tap on unlike and that page will be removed from your like pages. It's a very simple process. You just need to tap on the like button and then unlike it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.